What is Qash? Why must you look into Qash? The first thing about Qash is that they already have an existing business model. So there is a platform that we have, QNES, and QNES has been existing as an exchange since 2014. Another reason is that they have a world-class team. You can check out the team. They have a very, very top-notch team. And another thing again is that their product is ready. And then they are forming exchange and banking relationships with different banks and with different exchange. So they are bringing a system here. They want to almost eliminate all the barriers that are necessary when it comes to liquidity in the crypto space. And then when it comes to compliance and security, I think they're one of the first companies to have a license, not just a license, but a real license, a compliant license in the space. And then they are being audited by the Big Four. So you talk about KPMG, Deloitte, and the other guys. So not just one company that is actually auditing them. They are being audited by the Big Four. And that is one of the things I look. I want to look at the team. I want to look at where they are coming from. And then I want to look if they have advisors. And also want to look if someone is actually auditing them. Because if you look at many of these platforms out there, they just raise money and there is nobody who is actually telling them, hey, you have to do this. There is nobody who is actually telling them to do that. So what are they seeking to do? What they are seeking to do is very, very diverse. From being a cryptocurrency exchange to having an ICO listing service where you can list your tokens and people can actually buy, to providing a system where they will offer trading strategies where data scientists can actually collect this data and decide to build their own trading strategies, to the issue of fiat management to crypto management. So what they are actually doing is very, 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 very much. And then they are seeking by the second quarter of 2019, they want to have their own blockchain. And it's going to be very, very amazing. So let's not waste a lot of time. In a nutshell, what Qash is seeking to do, they want to become the next Bitcoin or Ethereum of financial service. Anything that has to do with ICOs, anything that has to do with exchange, anything that has to do, even this platform, you can exchange coins even without signing up for those exchange. Why? They are forming partnership. They already have partnership with Bitfinex and other top people. They already have partnership with the Gibraltar blockchain exchange. And then they want to also bring in a system here. They are also in the process of acquiring a banking license. That's one of the stuff about this platform. And then another thing again about this platform I actually like is that they are bringing a system where you can lend your crypto out to people and receive reward for it. So if you go to the team, they have a very, very, very revolutionary team. So I've said a lot about this platform. They have a very good team, have a already working business model. They have their system as a bank grade system. So and if you look at the team of advisors, you will know that these guys mean business. So this is definitely one of the platforms that you want to really do your own research on before you decide to come in or just ignore, because there are times people just ignore platform. They're like, hey, I saw this platform. I could have invested. So you want to really pay attention to this platform. Even though today the cryptocurrency market, it's not really good. I don't know what everything is just crumbling and crumbling and crumbling and crumbling. So you want to really pay attention to Qash. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and do have a very good day.